Most people are alive, but don't quite know it. They're moving through their days. They're doing what's expected of them. Their body's functioning, the job is working, and the years are passing. But underneath it all, there's a quiet feeling that they're just not fully here, that some larger version of themselves is somewhere behind the routine, waiting to be awakened. This channel is for people who can feel that, the ones who suspect that they were built for more than the life that's happening to them. Not more in the sense of more money necessarily, or more status or more achievement, though those things tend to follow. Now, what I mean is more in the sense of being fully here, more awake, more chosen, more alive. That kind of life, it's not given, it's built out of skills that almost no one has ever taught. How to inhabit your body, how to design your attention, how to communicate so that you're heard, how to build wealth as a structure. And underneath of all of those, the one that really runs everything, who you decide to be. Because the version of you that's living your current life, making decisions, accepting the limits, producing the results, was mostly installed by other people decades ago while you were watching cartoons. And that version, that's not you. It's the residue of who other people thought you were that you adopted. And it's been quietly running your life ever since. Well, you could choose a different one if you want, not as a fantasy, but as an actual decision made on purpose and that you live from. And once you do, something really strange and consistent starts to happen. The life on the outside begins to match the person on the inside. Your work shifts, the money shifts, the relationships shift. The experience of being alive, what your days actually feel like, will shift. Now, this isn't manifestation, it's not magic, it's a structure, a mechanism. Because identity is the thing that produces the life. The change you make is who you decide you are. And your life reorganizes itself to match that identity. It may seem like magic, especially when you experience it. And that's what living an empowered life is all about. There's short courses here on this channel that address that. But the full curriculum at Zygon Academy is where you'll really do the work. Now, nothing on this channel is motivational. Nothing's going to hype you up. It's not about that. It's the quiet work of becoming someone who's actually living the life they were given. And if that's what you came for, welcome. And I'll see you on the inside.